Well, my dear students, welcome to the grammar class. Today, let us learn about subject and predicate. Now, what is a subject and what is a predicate? In a sentence, take any English sentence, there we can divide that sentence into two parts, subject and predicate, because in English all sentences have two parts, subject and predicate. Subject is normally a noun or a pronoun, and predicate is mainly a verb, and it may accompany other parts of speech. Okay, coming to the first example, look at the first example. Rama is a boy. Rama is a boy. Rama, this word is a noun, is a verb, a article. This is an article. Boy is again a noun. There are four words in this example. In the first example, there are four words. Rama is a boy. Now, the total sentence, this sentence as a whole is talking about somebody who is important for this sentence. What is the sentence talking about? It is talking about a boy. Who is that boy? Rama. That means the sentence is about Rama. Who is subject here? Rama is the subject. Rama is the subject of this sentence. Okay? We can write it here. This is the subject. Rama is the subject. I have already told you, subject is always a noun or a pronoun. Here in these examples, there are only nouns. I have written nouns. You may take the other pronouns also. For example, for pronouns like he, she, it, they normally become subjects. Okay. About the others, we shall find out in later videos. First of all, let us concentrate on nouns. Rama is the subject of first example. Now let us go to the second example. Rajesh ate a mango. Rajesh ate a mango. Here, what is it about? Is the sentence about mango or Rajesh? It is not at all worried about mango. It is mainly worried about Rajesh. What did Rajesh do? Rajesh ate a mango. So, Rajesh is the subject. In these two sentences, we have found out the subject. Apart from the subject, everything is predicate. Rama is the subject. Rama is the subject. I write yes here. And is a boy is predicate. What does predicate do? It says something about the subject. Rama. What happened to Rama? Rama is a boy. What is Rama? Rama is a boy. A predicate always says something about the subject. Subject mentions someone or something very important for that subject. That means the whole of the subject, the whole of the sentence as a whole is concerned about this subject. This sentence is concerned about Rama. This is concerned about Rajesh. In the third example, this sentence is about puja. And in the fourth, it is about flower. Puja is the subject here and flower is the subject here. Now, watch this. The example number 4, the subject appears at the later part of the sentence. But in other sentences, it is in the beginning of the sentence. Subject may appear anywhere in the sentence, but we should read it carefully to understand what is the subject, which word is the subject. Okay, coming again to the first one, Rama is the subject, is a boy is the predicate. In the second sentence, Rajesh is the subject, ate a mango is predicate. Puja is subject, Puja is subject, gave a pen to Sachin. Though there are two nouns, Puja and Sachin, two nouns are there, but Puja is important here in this sentence. It is talking about Puja. What did Puja do? Puja gave a pen to Sachin. Sachin is just there. He is not giving anything or he is not doing anything. So Puja is important in this sentence. Puja gave a pen to Sachin. Puja is subject. Gave a pen to Sachin is predicate. And coming to the fourth one, how beautiful the flower is. The flower is the subject, and how beautiful is, it is predicate. This is flower is subject, and we have to take the is here. But in exclamatory sentences, this is how we arrange the words. We begin with how and ends with a helping verb. So here, though it is there, it belongs to this group. How beautiful the flower is. Flower is the subject and the is there article along with the flower. So we put it in the same group. The flower is comes here. How beautiful the flower is. The flower is the subject here. Okay. I think we have understood what is a subject and what is a predicate. What is a subject? Subject is the main part of a sentence. That sentence as a whole talks about someone or something. Maybe sometimes there may be name of some animal, name of something may be there. So in all sentences, nouns or pronouns can be considered as subject, easily identified as a subject. They normally appear in the beginning of the sentence. Sometimes they appear at the end or later part of the sentence also. And apart from subject in a sentence, all the other words belong to the second group, that is predicate. They are predicate because they say something about subject. Is a boy. Rama is a boy. Is a boy says something about Rama. This says Rama is a boy. He is not a girl. That way it says something about Rama. Here Rajesh ate a mango. Ate a mango says something about Rajesh. What did Rajesh do? Ate a mango. Puja gave a pen to Sachin. Puja is the subject and gave a pen to Sachin. What did Puja do? Gave a pen to Sachin. Gave a pen to Sachin. Who gave a pen to Sachin? Puja. Then again it is saying about Puja. How beautiful. What is beautiful? The flower is beautiful. So it is talking about, the predicate is talking about subject. So a subject and predicate. We can find two parts in any English sentence. Subject and predicate. Okay. I think you have understood. And also subject and while talking about the subject and predicate, I should mention that two parts are very important in a sentence. If there are no two parts, if two parts are not there, it cannot be a sentence. Most of 90% of the sentences are not sentences if they don't have a subject and a predicate. In some sentences where for example in orders we don't mention the subjects, but one subject is there. For example, stand up. When there is a sentence like this, order, stand up, stand up. So this is predicate actually. This is verb. Stand is a verb. So predicate. Here the subject is you. You is understood there. Subject is you. You stand up. Stand up on the bench. That means you stand up on the bench. The you is understood. So you is understood here. So there can't be a sentence without subject, but there may be some sentences without subject, but they have the subject hidden or not mentioned but understood to be there. Okay. And the smallest sentence, I should tell you now, the smallest sentence, birds fly. See, this is the smallest sentence in English which has only two words. Birds fly. See, this smallest sentence 2 has two parts. Birds is the subject. Fly is the verb. Subject and verb. Normally, if there is a verb, that is predicate. If there is a word, that part of the sentence is a predicate. If there is a noun at the beginning, normally it is the subject. Whenever there is a word, there is a noun or a pronoun, you can suspect it to be a subject. And whenever there is a verb, you can suspect or understand or mention that it is a predicate. Okay, I think I have told you enough about subject and predicate. So let us close this video here. Thank you.